Navigate your way with Compass Health. Be the next to save. Medicare available for people 65 or older, younger people with disabilities, and people with end-stage renal disease. Medicare is provided by the federal government and consists of two parts, parts A and B. Part A is considered the hospital insurance portion of Medicare and is chosen by most people because it's premium free. Part B usually has a monthly premium and is considered the medical insurance portion of Medicare. It covers doctors, office visits, any outpatient care, certain medical supplies, and more. Medicare care plans can also be purchased to enhance base Medicare coverage, such as a supplement and Part D RX drug plan or OPT for Medicare Advantage plan, which is an all in one alternative to organal Medicare. Offerable coverage in three easy steps. Number one, learn. We are here to help you negative through the different plans available to you. Make an informed decision with a trusted partner. Number two, compare. Not all plans are equal. Reviews the plans that meet your needs, which are side by side comparison. Number three, get coverage. Once you have reviewed your options and are ready, you can enroll right here with Compass Health. Who can get Medicare? Who can get Medicare? Anyone who is 65 in America, even a permanent resident who have lived here at least 5 years, people who have qualified for 24 months of social security disability also become eligible. For people aging into Medicare at 65, it does not matter if you are taking social security benefits yet. When you are eligible, you can enroll in Medicare Parts A and B, also known as organal Medicare, through the Social Security Administration. If you are already receiving Social Security or railroad retirement board benefits, you will automatically be enrolled. Medical advantages plans cover things that the standard Medicare does not. Speak to one of our agent for details. We have got you covered. Medicare plans, individual and family coverage, short terms, dental, vision, or small business health insurance. We are we are here for you to make sure you get the coverage you need at the most affordable price.